Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to share the Excel sheet with others like Google Sheet. You know, we can share the Google Sheet with others through the Google Drive. So to share the Excel sheet also, we need a cloud space like Google Drive. For that, Microsoft is giving one cloud space free. Okay, which is that cloud space? It is known as OneDrive. We have to create one ID in OneDrive, then we can save this Excel sheet in that drive like the Google Drive. From that OneDrive, we can share your file with others. Okay, that drive is known as OneDrive. I told you. So we can go to the OneDrive, how to create the account in OneDrive. We can go to the video. First open Google, then there you type OneDrive login. You can see here OneDrive login, select this one, or OneDrive is enough. Okay, just OneDrive also you can type and select and enter. Then you can see sign in Microsoft OneDrive, select this one. Then you can see this type of window. Here sign in page, okay, but we don't have any. If you don't have any account here, you select this create one. When you click there, it will ask your email ID. You can use your own email ID, Gmail or Yahoo or any email ID you can use. Here I am going to, and one more thing, by using your phone number also you can create an account. When you click here, it will ask phone number, then you can give the password, that like that we can enter. Okay, so but now I am showing you how to make because the phone number sometimes will be changed, so we can make by using the email ID only. Okay, so I am typing here one email ID, then click next, then it will ask to create one password. There you make one password, then click next. Now it is asking what's your name, first name and last name. Then we can select this one, already I have given. Then next, then what is your birth date? It will ask, we can select anyone. I am simply selecting January and 1 and year. Here it is a, okay, now clicking next. Now to this email ID, they have sent one code, 4-digit code, okay, that we have to type here. After typing here, we will enter. We go back to the email, then you can see the number code. You type that code here. Then when you click next, you will enter into the, when we enter that number which you got in your email, we will enter into that. When you enter into the Google OneDrive, you right click in this space, white space, click on the new, select a folder. Here you give one name, you give one name for the folder. Okay, now I am giving one name 2021 2022. Okay, 22, one name I have given. So create. Now the folder will be created with this name. See, one folder have made, you can see here 0, that means no file in this folder. We open this, one click is enough to open. Okay, to click, no need. So it is opened. See, you can see the name of the folder here. Here you right click in this area, you can see upload files. Select files or folder we can upload. So you go to the folder in the computer for the file to upload. So I am selecting this file to upload and open. Now see in this folder that file came. Now this file we can share with anyone like a Google Sheet in Google Drive. So how to share? Simply click and open. The file will be opened just like Excel sheet, it will be opened. So after opening this, just right top side you can see a share button. Select the share button. Then you will get one window like this. Here I will tell two more things. Here anyone with the link can edit. This will be there by default. And when you click there, you can see two more options. Set expiration date, but it is only for premium members. And here set password also. This also for premium members. If you get that membership, you will get all these options. But we need only allow editing only. So that only we need. And here we have to type the email ID of the person with whom you want to share. Okay, here I am typing. When you type, you can see the email ID also there. Select this one. So now we add another also. You can add again and again how many members, how many members you want to share this one. Everyone's email ID you can type one by one below. But now I am typing only one email ID. After that you can type one message also for them. If you want to give, this message also will be there with the sheet, okay, when they are getting. So now I'm not typing anything. Now I am sending. And before sending, I will tell one more thing. Here, if you click copy link, you will get the link of this file also. That file we can send through the email also, or through the WhatsApp, or through the Facebook, or through the any medium. You can send this link. They can open and work with you. Okay, so that is this copy link option. Now I am sending through the email, and after typing the email, send button click. Now this sheet link has been sent to that email ID. See, so now I will show you how they are getting the link. Okay, I will show you that also. See, you can see this is the email of that person to which we sent that link, that page. See, they have got this file, okay, in their email ID. So that person is going to open by clicking here. When he is open or she is open, they can see like this: share to unlimited limited members. Want the file name of the file, and click open. They are opening that file. Now we can see that Excel file. So this is the Excel file which we shared with that person. So I will show you in two window. See, this is my file and this is the shared file. Okay, this is my window and this is a shared window. So whatever I am doing here, that person can see. And one more thing I will show you. Just the top of this sheet, I can see how many members are there. See, now it is showing guests. It is sharing with one person only. That name I can see here. It's only showing guest because that person not opened in the Microsoft account. That's why it's showing as a guests. And in the other person's page, he can see my name. Here he can see my name here by bringing the cursor here. Okay, and one more thing I will show you. If other person is selecting one cell in his page, I can see here, see in purple color box I can see, and in the corner you can see the first letter of that name. This is a guest, no? So first letter is G. So when you bring the cursor there, we can see who is there. Now I can see one guest is there in the sheet, and in the page of the guest, okay, that person I selected in the column of age. At that time, he can see that page, that cell in purple color bordered, okay. And when he bring that cursor in that circle, he can read my name also. He can see, and I will show you. That person is going to enter something in the cell. What will happen? I will show you that Gust is trying to enter in the same sheet. Okay, this is date of birth, and he is typing that date of birth. See that person, that guest is typing something in the cell. At that time, I can see. You can see here one circle with dancing dots. Okay, that means someone is trying to type in this cell. Okay, so because I typed here, I didn't finish that. After typing, when I am entering, okay, that will be finished. Now we can see whatever he typed, means that guest typed, that I can see here. Okay, like that, very easily type in the same file by using this method. Okay, I hope you understood how to share the Excel file with the other members through the OneDrive. If you like this video, you share with others and subscribe my channel to get this type of video at once when I am publishing new video in different topics. We will meet again with a new topic. Till then, goodbye.